Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our next topic, which is differentiation. So, it's sign of delta. Delta means change in. Delta y means change in y. Delta y by delta x is equals to ratio of change in y to change in x. It means rate of change of y with respect to x. D means differential change in y. It means very small change. If we talk about just in change in y, we called it delta y. And if we have to just understand that if we have to say this, then we will say that it will change in delta. And if we have to if we have to say that change in this, then it is very small part of this bigger line, so we will call D, differentiation. Delta mean big and differentiation mean very small. So let's do here. Delta y by delta x is equal to differentiation by y by differentiation by x. It means differentiation of y with respect to x only when delta is very small. When delta is very small, then we write differentiation of y with respect to differentiation of x. Here are some rules of differentiation. So d by dx, if here is constant, if y is equals to constant, then the dy by dx will be equals to 0. Let's have some example. If y is equals to 3, then find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx will be, if there is constant, then obviously it will be equal to 0. And the second formula is dy by dx. If y will be equal to x, it's just simple. If y will be equals to x, then dy by dx will be, in the place of y there will be x, so obviously it will come 1. So this formula is also clear. And the next formula is dx की power n by dx. If you have to differentiate like this, let's have some formula. Take this formula. If y is equals to x the power 2, then dy by dx will be, you have to use this. So let's use that. It's the power and this is the power, so we have to write 2, then x, then 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2x. So if y is equals to x the power 2, then dy by dx will come 2x. Let's have some another example. If y is equals to x the power 4, then the value of dy by dx will be, write 4, then x, then write 4 minus 1, which is equals to 4x cube. And the fourth is, if y is equals to cos x, then dy by dx will be equals to minus sin x. If y is equals to sin x, then dy by dx will be cos x. If y is equals to tan x, then dy by dx will be sec square x. If y is equal to pi nx, then dy by dx will be log. Then if y is equal to log x, then dy by dx will be equals to 1 by x. If y is equal to e the power x, then dy by dx will be same. This will be constant. This will not change. Another formula is, if the question comes that y is equals to 5x cube, then find dy by dx. Then in this case we will do, take 5 as a part, 5, then do the same as we have done with this. Write 3 as here, then x, then 3 minus 1, which comes 5 into 3x square. Then it will come 15x square. Y is equals to 10x to the power 4. Then what's the value of dy by dx? So it will be, take 10 as a part and write 4. Then x, then 4 minus 1. It will come 10 into 4x cube, which is equal to 40x cube. Another is, if y is equal to a the power x, then dy by dx will be equal to a the power x log e by a. This one I have to clear. Now if the question may come that if y is equals to x square plus ex plus sin x, then find the value of dy by dx. So if this type of questions may come, then you have to write it separately. First you have to differentiate this term, then you have to differentiate this term, then you have to differentiate this term. So you will differentiate this by writing 2, then x, then 2 minus 1 plus e the power x will be same as e the power x plus differentiation of sin x is equals to cos x. So we'll write 2x plus e the power x plus cos x. This will be the differentiation of this. Dy by dx will be equal to this. And another is UV method. It is of multiplication. If the terms of u will be given as, if the term of u will be given as that y is equals to u into v, then we will use UV method. The UV method says that if y is equals to u into v, then dy by dx will be equal to, first differentiate, take u as into, first differentiate v term by x plus take v, then differentiate du term, then write dx. Let's have some example so you can understand very nicely. For example, y is equals to x square sin x. Then write it like that. This is u and this is v. So write it. Take u as common. They take u as in this. So we'll write x square. The differentiation of v. So differentiation of sin x is cos x plus take v sin x, differentiate x square. So if we will differentiate x square, then 2x 2 minus 1, which is x square cos x plus sin x into 2x. Is that clear? If we'll take another example, y is equals to x cube 3 ex, then it will goes right. This is u, this is v. Write u, which is x cube, into differentiate the v term. If we will differentiate the v term ex, then it will come ex, e the power x, plus now write v ex. Now differentiate u term. If we will differentiate the u term, it will come 3x 3 minus 1, which is x cube into e the power x plus e the power x into 3x squared. Now it's clear. And if now another rule, if the terms will be in division, if y is equals to u by v, then what will be the value of dy by dx? Now let's understand. These are the formulas which you have to learn that. So firstly, let's solve some of the examples so that you can understand it betterly. So if y is equal to x square plus sin x by x cube, then by using this formula we can write it like that. The first you have to write that dy by dx is equals to, this is u and this is v. Write v x cube and differentiate the u term. If we will differentiate the u term, it will come at 2x plus sin x will be cos x minus, write u as it is x square plus sin x. Differentiate the v term, which will be 3x squared divided by 2. Now dy by dx of this particular question is this. Let's have some another example. If y is equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus tan x by x the power 4, then dy by dx will be equal to, firstly write v, which is x to the power 4, into differentiate the u term. So if we will differentiate, it will come 2x plus 6 square x then use minus sign, write u term as it is, x square plus 10x, differentiate the v term. If you will differentiate, it will come 4x cube and then divide it by 2. I hope guys you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.